Create professional quality custom place cards made from heavyweight, textured white cardstock that is pre-scored for easy folding and will sit on top of any flat surface for great visibility. Get a more reliable feed through your printer with nameplate card sheets featuring proprietary SureFeed technology. Easily customize the printable place cards with your own text and graphics or choose from thousands of templates and designs on Avery Design Print, our free online design software. Design and print professional-looking tinted place cards with our full bleed, print-to-the-edge feature that allows you to print to the edge without a border or outline. Avoid printer jams and smudging with name tint cards that are optimized for both laser and inkjet printers. Make an unforgettable impression at your next party, event or meeting with customizable tint cards. The tinted place cards are constructed from heavyweight, textured white cardstock, 65 pounds cover, 176 GSM, that stands up to frequent folding, making them ideal for use as place cards for weddings, menu cards, display cards, folded business cards and more. Ultrafine perforations let you easily separate each card from the sheet, while the pre-scored construction makes folding a snap. Handwrite directly on the white tint cards for one-of-a-kind creations or get crisp, smudge-free printing from your laser or inkjet printer. Our print-to-the-edge feature allows you to create eye-catching, full-bleed tinted cards with sharp text and images printed with no border or margin. Avoid printing misalignments and gems and ensure a clean printing job with our SureFeed technology. Effortlessly create personalized tint cards with your own text, art and photos, or use the free templates, designs and fonts from Avery Design Print. Try it out today on the Avery website. This item comes with 25 sheets, 6 cards per page, and a total of 150 blank tint cards. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to create and gives a professional look. This is an excellent product, for an economical price. It is extremely easy to use. It provides many options for design selection. It also gives you an option to choose your own design from the web or your own artwork. I used it for my daughter's wedding and they looked beautiful. I would definitely recommend this product without any hesitation.